Are you struggling to control your anger? You're not alone. Anger is a natural emotion, but when left unchecked, it can have damaging effects on your relationships, health, and overall well-being. The good news is, there are techniques you can use to manage your anger in a healthy way. First, practice deep breathing. When you feel anger rising, take a moment to breathe deeply and slowly. This can help calm your body and mind, allowing you to think more clearly and react more rationally. Next, try to identify the source of your anger. Is it a specific trigger or situation that sets you off? By understanding what is causing your anger, you can work towards finding solutions or coping mechanisms to prevent it from escalating. Another helpful technique is to take a time out. If you feel yourself getting overwhelmed with anger, remove yourself from the situation and give yourself some space to cool down. Use this time to reflect on your emotions and come up with a plan for how to address the issue calmly and constructively. Lastly, consider seeking professional help. Anger management therapy or counseling can provide you with the tools and support you need to effectively manage your anger and improve your overall mental health. Remember, it's okay to feel angry, but it's important to learn how to express and manage it in a healthy way. By practicing these techniques, you can take control of your anger and lead a more peaceful and fulfilling life. Thanks for watching.